2010 Lexus GX460. Side step running boards, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, tow hitch trailer package, tailgate glass opens, power third row seats, rear DVD headrests, rear bumper protector, nice well kept ivory leather interior, wood grain trim throughout, Lexus OEM floor mats, memory driver's seat, four-wheel drive, heated and cooled front seats, heated second row, navigation, backup camera with parking sensors, Sirius XM radio, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth, automatic headlights, just under 163,000 miles, and sunroof. Come on, see us, say you cars.